Yebo bafowethu beseyifikile kwelocala lenu into basebeqalise ukugrogrisa uPhakela Mthakathi ngokumbhekisa ecourt naye. This comes after I think it was 3 days ago xa babe interviewer iSABC interviewer uMinister of Land Reforms and Rural Development uMzwanele banibala ngikwazi nje ukuyipronounce ifani yakhe ukwelicala lePAC malunga nalento esibhizi ngayo. Hayi abe ngumuntu yena against lento iwesi into yakhona into ba ifocus ebantwini abamnyama kutheni singayi ebelungwini. Nalama borders esiwafunayo artificially introduced ngo1886 bona abazolidwa ngama-tax urefera kuPhakela Mthakathi noJacinta noNgizwe ke hayi kube ngunywihlnywihlwi nje ininzi lento yakhe akayithethayo. The following day uPhakela Mthakathi uinvitewa ke ngoku nguSkim GP kwi-podcast yakhe uya interviewer. Xa ke interviewer bafike kulo mcimbi lona hayi abe nawo amagama uPhakela Mthakathi ukuthi nanku omnye uMzwanele he was busy talking nonsense apha ebhizi esixelela ngento yoba kutheni singa attendi of singa atheki abanye abelungu sifocus apha ebantwini abamnyama wathi uyileader in herself yena uhlala nababelungu kutheni yena xa caba yena unento inemfazi unento akayibonayo errong okanye ufeel into ba kumele beattendiwe nabo kutheni nengabe attend ngapha ubhizi ke wathekana nalomcimbi okwenza namabhota wabe namagama kawachoyo wathi futhi ngaphezulu the very same minister yena uMzwanele lowo ikwanguye umuntu obhizi ogxothana uVictor ogxothana nabantu abamnyama emaplasini ogxothana nabantu abamnyama emhlabeni wabo ebhizi enenjongo zokunikeza kwalamabhulo engathi ufuna ukulwa nabo because thina singabantu abamnyama sidile nomcimbi nokwenza nabantu abamnyama because siphila nabo si experience yonke lento esi experienceayo apha kubo. So since yena esazi into ba ikhona into errong enokwenza nabelungu ehlala nabo naye ngeke udlale yakhe indima kwelacala ukuthi khona lapha refer khona into ba kwalomuntu wabulala uChrizani wayengumlungu wayeze eSouth Africa ngendlela engaqondakali ngokutheni singafocus apha ebelungini. So uza ngaleyo angle so waphendula lonto ke ngokuPhakela Mthakathi. So yiyo lento ke ngoku akaseke ufuna ukusela yona uPhakela Mthakathi phi ecourt esithi intoni yi-defamation of character. Since uPhakela Mthakathi esithi kwayena unenjongo zoba axuthule umhlaba okanye agxothe abantu abamnyama iVictor nabantu abamnyama enenjongo zokuthini ezoba ayinikeze phi hayi ke iphumile ke phofu even imedia statement esuka phi esuka kulomzwanele leyo. So ndizama ukuthi bafethu I think right now abasawuqondi lo mcimbi lona I think sebe late kakhulu abasawuqondi into ba noba bangagrogrisa uPhakela Mthakathi noba banga-arresta omnye wabo okusalayo ukhona omnye uPhakela Mthakathi ozavela noba banga-arresta uJacinta okusalayo ukhoyo uJacinta ozavela noba banga-arresta uNgizwe Mchunu okusalayo right now in the grid indlela esesihambile right now ukunqandeka yinto basizanqandeka nje because asiyobantwana bona abangalawuleki qha right now sesiphakamise inhloko sisithi sizawulawuleka provided that niyasimamela uba ngaba anisimameli sizaba nengxaki into iseyilapho. Sithanda into ba on my previous post ndichila into ba ama-Nigeria namhlanje kuthiwe bayahamba i-first batch ngapha elandelana neMozambique nayo seyithathile i-batch nyana zabo ngapha neGhana hayi kona siza ngoline njengoba bezixelela into ba bazafuna ukugrogrisana nabantu ngento enokwenza umthetho bewazi into ba inobabona ipokodo zabo zivutshiwe nje hayi bafethu iSouth Africans uba ngaba kumele into bazizitekeche for lento esibhizi ngayo sizazitekeche uba ngaba amagqwetha kuyaya apho kubedingakala because right now umzekelo bona uPhakela Mthakathi masithi noba banayo iconnection nyana eyamagqwetha kuzaya kuye okanye kuye kube nzima kodwa into engiyithandayo ngama-South Africans le into abadoda wasazimiselanga rhoxa. So nje sengathi omnye nomnye especially kwaba bapha kuma-leaders ofuna uku-athekhana nalento esiyenzayo hayi angayihlanyela phansi amilisa ingqondo because nje ukubukela umva kona hayi asisajiki asidlali apha lilizwe lokhokho bethu phi eli.
And we've been saying, for that matter, these borders that we see today are artificial borders. We were given these borders by Berlin Conference in 1886. These are not our borders. It can happen that your roots can be traced in Congo. And the problem with this problem that is being said today, it's only affect black people. What about white people who do not have papers to be in South Africa? What about real cartels, criminals who are coming from Italy, who are here in South Africa? What about Israelites who are even doing business in South Africa without proper documentation? By the way, the ANC leader, Chrizani, was killed by a white immigrant. How did he get to South Africa?
Thank you
Because
so
he was
much.
white and nobody asked him his ID. No African can be a foreigner in Africa. And no thugs can go out there and call us and tell us that is what you must do. We can't be led by thugs called Ngizwe and others with a name that I can't even understand, Pagalama Gwiche and others. They can't do that. This is the land of ours, and we can't be led by people who don't even know they are standing in the society.
Kunobaba okuthiwa uNyonzo who spoke rubbish yesterday. uNyonzo. And he's a very, even if you look at him you can see he's stupid. Uyabona. Uthi these borders are artificial.
Yeah.
Okay. Yena when he goes to Kenya or when he goes to Mozambique, he uses a passport.
Yeah.
But uthi thina la eSouth Africa, South African. Uthi thina la eSouth Africa asingasho ukuthi akube neborder eSouth Africa. ISouth Africa kuphela okungamele ibe neborder. Bonke laba abanye banamaborder. Bawabili amaborder, banamasosha adubulayo, abulalayo nje anganasikhathi sakho. Uyabo. Akubulala kufaka emgodini wengungumbane udliwe izintibane. Uyabo. So uma ngabe bethi abaholi lento i-pressing issue is not only the foreigners, but kusho yena uNyonzo uthi there's white people and Italian and
Chinese.
And Chinese. Bahlala kuphi? Emlazi. Bahlala la eSoweto. Labo belungu. Bahlala naye angithi. Why is he not doing anything? He's a leader. Why is he not doing something about it? Why is he telling us as South Africans esimvotelile simbeke lapha phezulu ukuthi abe umholi? He is coming back to complain and counter-attack a struggle of the people instead of helping. And yena njengomholi, he goes on media and says kunabantu on SABC, a whole leader. People should the people of his party, they must take him down of that position because if he's embarrassed them. Uthi kunabelungu asihlali nabelungu, we don't feel abelungu doing anything. But here's the interesting part about Ubaba uNyonzo. Ubaba uNyonzo right now is evicting black people in the farms, in government farms, because he wants to give it to the white people. The same white people is crying about. As I'm talking now, if any of these leaders or his counterparts are saying I'm wrong, they must sue me for this. Right now, he's evicting black people so he can take those farms and give it back to the white people. And that's what they've been doing. Even the other leaders, they've been in the land issue. They have delayed the processes of giving the land back to the people until people were tired or whoever was doing, like Phakela Mthakathi was killed. Once that person is killed, then they take the farms, they lease it for 100 years to a white man.